Okay, I was literally about to leave, but I couldn't shake this thought and I was like, let me film this video before I go because I know there is someone who is watching this video right now who has been sitting on the idea of making money online and you are thinking to start. Maybe you have watched 15 YouTube videos, followed 10 different creators, or even downloaded so many free guides, but here you are still thinking, what is the actual first step? What is something that I can realistically do that does not require a big following or a huge tech setup? And let me tell you what I wish someone told me when I started, and that is start with an ebook. And today, right here in this video, we are going to create yours. I've actually written down all the steps for you, and I am literally going to take you from idea to an ebook to actually getting sales. And guess what? We are going to do it all in less than 24 hours. And hey, if you stick around, I will also give you my exact Canva template, which is going to make the entire process crazy easy for you. So let's dive in. Let's first start with the question that you might be asking yourself right now, and that is, why only an ebook? Why not a course? Why not a YouTube channel, a membership, or affiliate links? Here's the truth. When you're just starting out, you don't need more complexity. You need clarity. See, a course might sound great, but then you have to record videos, you have to film yourself, you have to figure out the hosting platforms, and just like that, you will be 3 months in with almost nothing finished. An ebook, on the other hand, is easy to create, low pressure, and you will literally have something in your hands in less than 24 hours so that you can start offering it right away. Just think about it. In an ebook, you just need yourself, your knowledge, and a simple PDF that actually provides solutions to someone's problem. I know this works because it is exactly what I did. I started with a simple PDF on affiliate marketing. It was just like 15 to 20 pages long, but that ebook literally became the foundation of my whole digital product business, which makes me more than $15,000 every single month. So let's create your ebook. Yes, right now. First things first, you really need to get clear on what your ebook is going to help someone do. You don't really have to teach everything to everyone because you're not writing a textbook here. What we need is a simple or a specific result that you can help someone achieve. For example, if you're in the niche of affiliate marketing, your ebook topic can be how to pick your first affiliate product and make your first $20. If you're in the niche of content creation, your ebook topic can be how to create 30 days of Instagram posts in less than an hour. Or maybe if you're in the niche of personal development, your ebook topic can be how to finally stick to a morning routine that lasts longer than a week. Like, that is so interesting. The key is you're actually helping someone to go from stuck to unstuck with one clear win. Just think about your own journey. What exactly is it that you have achieved but other people still struggle with it? That right there is going to be your ebook topic. Now, once you have picked the specific problem that you're going to help people with, now is the time to write the actual content for your ebook. And we are going to do this in a very simple way, and that is brain dumping. Yes, like open your Google Docs or Notes app right now and ask yourself, if someone came to me asking how to get this result, what exactly would I tell them? Write all of it down step by step. See, it does not need to be perfect. Just be real and literally brain dump all of the steps that you would tell someone. And please do this process very honestly, as if you're trying to help your friend who is sitting across you and he really needs your help. Following this process, whatsoever you brain dump in your notebook, that right there is your core content. If it includes 5 steps, great. If it includes 10 tips, that is even better. But please just focus on the transformation because you really need to get your target audience from point A, which is making them keep stuck, to point B so that they can actually achieve that result. Now, once you have your rough steps or the outline written down, here is where it starts getting really interesting because now we are going to use ChatGPT. You can upload the outline in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT something like, hey, based on this outline, can you help me draft a simple, beginner-friendly ebook that teaches this step by step? And trust me, ChatGPT is going to give you a full detailed content for your ebook. Does ChatGPT content need editing? Of course, but now you're not staring at a blank screen, which is a great achievement. From there, go through your entire draft and take off anything that feels off. add your personal transformation, add your personal tips, and literally make it sound like a human. Here is my rule when it comes to writing an ebook: keep it simple, keep it clear, but keep it helpful. Honestly, most of the best selling ebooks that I've seen are always under 20 pages, and some are even 5 pages, and they sell like crazy. Why? Because people out there are busy. They're not looking to read an entire novel. What they need is a quick transformation to their problem or whatever they are going through. And if your ebook is providing that, it is going to sell like crazy for you as well. So don't feel like you really need to stretch the content out. Just make sure you help your people get to the win faster, and they are absolutely going to thank you for it. Now, let's talk about design. Once you're happy with your content, head over to Canva. You can simply start with a blank doc, but honestly, just use the Canva ebook template that I'm going to link in the description. It is going to make the entire process super easy for you. It is already designed, clean and organized. So what you really need to do is just update the colors, change the text, and you will be ready with your very first digital product. Just make sure you save it and download it in the form of a PDF. And that moment when you finish your ebook and you see your ebook as a real exported thing, that will be the first time you will be like, I did it. I am a digital product creator. And trust me, once you feel that, you are never going to stop. So now that your ebook is finished, you have written it, you have designed it, you have saved it as a PDF, your next question might be, okay, now how do I actually sell it? And maybe that question is bringing you a little anxiety. You might be thinking, I'm not good at sales, I don't have a big following, I am literally starting from scratch, I have never sold anything like this before. If that is you, I want you to breathe. Why? Because I'm going to walk you through this as if we are sitting in this car together, so you don't really have to stress out. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to figure out complicated tech. What you do need is a simple way so that you can guide people to your ebook even if you're starting from scratch. I highly recommend you to follow my beginner-friendly system that I've taught to so many students inside my course, which is Passive Creators Hub, and it always works wonders. It is super simple and it looks like this. Create helpful content on a social media platform, then offer your freebie, which is a free product, build your email list, and then share your paid product, which we have just created, and that is your ebook. Think of it like a little value ladder. You give first, you help first, and then you pitch your paid product without any pressure. Let's break it down so that it is super simple to follow. Step 1. Start sharing helpful content online. And when I say post content, that does not mean that you have to be present on every social media platform. I literally started with only one platform, and that was Instagram, and it is 100% your choice. You just pick one platform and start posting about your niche, about all the helpful content around your niche every single day so that you can start driving your traffic. But when you post content, make sure you always talk about your freebie, which is a free product, which actually brings us to the step 2, and that is start sharing your freebie. A freebie is something that gives people a quick win so that when they go through your free product, they are like, oh my god, this is free. I wonder what exactly is going to be in their paid product, which is your ebook. Your freebie can be a simple checklist, a mini guide, or a template that actually helps people to solve one part of the problem that your whole ebook is solving. Then you can use a free tool like Systemy.io and create an opt-in page so that people can enter their name and their email address to get your freebie. And that is how you can start building your email list even if you're starting as a complete beginner. Once they are on your email list, you can actually start sending them automated emails. And no, when I say emails, don't think that you need to be a copywriter. Just start writing simple, honest emails as you're actually trying to help someone by sharing simple pieces of ideas every single day. And that is how you will start building trust with your leads so that when you pitch your product in like 6th or 7th email, they will be ready to buy. And finally, you will need a place where people can actually buy your product, and we do it by creating a sales page and a checkout page inside Systemy.io. Now, when someone purchases your product, that means whenever someone purchases your ebook, it will be delivered automatically in their emails. That means you don't have to do any back and forth, no DMing people, not any of that drama. You will be literally making sales on automation even when you will be sleeping. So here's the recap. If you're starting from scratch, just follow my simple proven roadmap, and that is start sharing helpful content on one social media platform, offer a very helpful freebie, then start creating your email list, start sending small and quick emails every single day, and then pitch your paid product, which can be an ebook which we have just created. And in this way you will start making sales on automation, and that is how digital marketing, aka selling digital products online, works. And hey, before I wrap up this video, I really want to share something very personal to me, and that is when I started this business, like it was in January 2024. But when I started, I was just like you. I didn't know anything about selling digital products. I was a complete beginner, I was a newbie, and I always used to think that no, this is not my thing. But then I started learning about it, and now, almost 2 years later, I literally make more than $15,000 every single month. So I am a living proof that even if you're starting from scratch right now, if you give your 100%, you will actually be able to get all the results. So here is what exactly I want you to do. First of all, grab my free Canva template that I'm going to link in the description. Make sure you download that template, you export it in Canva, and create your very first ebook. Step 2, make sure you block off some time for this business, for this journey of yours every single week, because unless you are dedicated, you really won't be able to achieve all the results. And step 3, if you're ready to take this on a serious note, you can actually join me and my whole community, where we learn about all of this together, and not just about creating an ebook, but so much even more, like how to pick your niche, how to actually set up everything on automation inside systemy.io, what types of content to post, the strategies that you should keep in mind. And the best part, I literally guide every single person through my weekly coaching calls. So you're literally going to get the gold, like literally the gold stuff when you join Passive Creators Hub. If you would like to get more information, the link is going to be in the description. And finally, if this video helped you, I want you to drop a comment and say, I am creating my ebook today, because in this way I can cheer you up, and this always helps me to keep showing up for you guys so that I can come up with more videos just like this one. So all the very best with creating your first ebook, and now I will see you in the next video.